people. I am at the vessel located at the Hudson Yard, New York City. It is a so chilly afternoon. Vessel is an extraordinary centerpiece with its spiral staircase, comprised of 154 intricately interconnecting flights of stairs, almost 2,500 individual steps, and 80 landings. This interactive artwork is a focal point where people can enjoy new perspectives of the city and one another from different heights, angles, and vantage points. The vertical climb offers remarkable views of the city, the river, and beyond. Hope you are all doing okay. See you in my next travel adventure.